question we have there have some conditions. QA is equal to 2 microcoulomb, QB minus 5, QC is minus plus 2 microcoulomb, and QD is minus 5 microcoulomb. They are located across the square of ABCD, and the side है 10 centimeter, and what should be the charge 1 microcoulomb at the center of the square. Then we will solve it. Suppose if we will design a square, and suppose the charge is there have 4 position. Suppose this is QA, here is QB, here is QC, here is QD, and separation between them is you already given the side. Now QA according to condition, QA है प्लस का 2 माइक्रोकूलम, एंड QB है माइनस का 5 माइक्रोकूलम. इसका मतलब QA पॉजिटिव, दिस वन नेगेटिव, एंड QC इज प्लस 2 माइक्रोकूलम, मतलब दिस वन पॉजिटिव, एंड QD is minus 5 microcoulomb, इसमें this one is negative. And at the point of intersection of these points is called C. Centroid is C, where charge is situated is Q, which has positive 1 microcoulomb. This bulk is positive. Now at the centroid we can charge Q is plus 1 microcoulomb. Suppose the distance from center to every charge is small r, so this r is equal, hence force. Now force at point C with respect to A is, this is positive, the charge will repel, that is called Fa, and due to the Fc, because charge of QA or QC are equal, then we consider a QA at the point Q, A and C, center से C के distance are भी equal है और charge भी equal है. Then we can say force at A is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught. Epsilon naught क्योंकि all the R charge present in a free space, and QA and Q upon distance का square. And similarly we use FC 1/4 pi epsilon naught QC Q upon R square. Second, QA according to situation QA और QC equal है, QA equal to QC. C पे चार्ज डायरेक्शन देख लो, पॉजिटिव है, पॉजिटिव, दिस विल बी रिपल, it is the force at point C, and charge equal, then it means that we can say force at A is equal to force at C, मतलब मैग्नीट्यूड फोर्स A और C के बराबर है बट डायरेक्शन अपोजिट. we can say in vector form Fa is equal to minus Fc. Now another situation is similarly B is negative, this will attract force on B in this way, and similarly DFD. अब B और D देखो, B पर माइनस 5 माइक्रोकूलम और D पर प्लस माइनस है, here B और D both have equal, then we can say charge on B is equal to charge on D, hence we can say force on B is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught at the point centroid, and QB and Q upon distance is square, and FD is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught QD and Q upon distance का square. Charge equal, then we can say FB is equal to FD, and we can write vector form FB is equal to minus FD. Hence net force, what will be? Force of A is equal to opposite इसके है FA plus FB plus FC plus FD, बट FA इक्वल है लेकिन साइन कैसा है इसका अपोजिट में है. FA इक्वल टू, मतलब जहाँ FA वहाँ लिख सकते हैं माइनस FC, और जहाँ FB वहाँ लिख सकते हैं माइनस का FD, यहाँ ले सकते हैं माइनस का, अगेन वी राइट FA को लिख सकते हैं माइनस FC, FB को लिख सकते हैं माइनस FD, दिस इज FC, दिस इज FD, FC से FD कैंसिल, FC से FC कैंसिल, तो नेट फोर्स विल बी इक्वल टू 0. ओके, तो नेट फोर्स एट द सेंट्रॉइड विल बी 0. Now, next question. The 2-point charges Q 3 microcoulomb and Q minus 3 microcoulomb are located 20 cm apart from each other. And what is the electric field at the midpoint of O, and the AB is joining from them? Suppose this is the charge QA and another charge is QB, and QA is 3 microcoulomb and QB is minus 3 microcoulomb, and separation between them is 20 centimeter, and we take a midpoint of O. O is the midpoint of the 20 centimeter. Suppose this is the distance is completely R, this is R by 2, then we can consider the distance A, and it will be the OA is equal to OB is equal to, suppose we consider a small r, this is also a small r, consider a small r is equal to what? 10 centimeter, and we can write 10 in meter, so 10 into 10 to power minus 2 meter. Now first find the electric field with respect to positive and with respect to negative. So due to the we have considered a point charge, so due to the point charge, this is the plus, here point charge we also consider a plus, प्लस की वजह से प्लस क्या होगा? रिपल्सन होगा. एंड ड्यू टू द फोर्स ए, ड्यू टू प्लस 3 इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड भी इन दिस डायरेक्शन ड्यू टू द ए, तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, एंड ड्यू टू द माइनस 3 microcoulomb electric field also in this way, this is called AB. Then hence EA is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught QA upon distance का square, and EB is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. We take only magnitude, due to the plus minus we have considered the direction. देखो प्लस माइनस की प्लस वजह से डायरेक्ट सेंटर पर डायरेक्शन हुई ऊपर अवे, ड्यू टू द माइनस डायरेक्शन. नाउ वी हियर कंसिडर द चार्ज ओनली इन अ पॉजिटिव वे, इट इज़ द QB डिस्टेंस का स्क्वायर. नेट चार्ज, नेट फील्ड, what net field will be both have the same direction, then we will add EA plus EB, both have the same magnitude, then we can say 2E, EA is equal to BB, we can write any one EA or EB, and 2 put the value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and charge both have charge same, we can write anyone else, and distance R is 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 का square. And now we put the value 2 into 9 into 10 to the power 9, this is the constant value, and QA is 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon 10, we can write 100 into 10 to the power minus 4. We can write here 54, 27 to the 54 and 10 to the power 9 and minus 6, and this we can write 2 zeros, then we can write plus 2, add it, तो minus 4 plus 2 minus 2 ऊपर जाएगा तो it become plus 2. तो net feed will be 54 into 10 to the power 9 or 6, 9 or 2 11 plus 5, and if we type point, suppose the we point here, we shift here, so we can write 5.4 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per Coulomb. This is the net electric field. Now in second part, if the negative charge is magnitude 1.5 minus 9 Coulomb is placed at the point of the centroid, then what should be the, and find the force. Expected due to the test charge. Now formula is force F is equal to QE. So force is a vector quantity, but charge is negative. Then we can say force minus negative के साथ we put the value of charge 1.5 10 to minus 9. This is the charge. Suppose we can charge right here minus 1.5 and 10 to the power minus 9 Coulomb, and put the Q value here, and this is the net field. This is net field put here, and 5.4 into 10 to the power 6, and net force is equal to minus 1.5 into 5.4 10 to the power minus 9 plus 3. Then net force will be minus 1.5, and we multiply of them 5.4 into 10 to the power what minus 3, and if we multiply 15 4 ja 6, and we have solved multiply of them 1.5, and this one will be, there will be 8.10 minus 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. Minus sign only show the direction, and direction is, suppose if we take a electric field in this direction, then force direction will be in this way, and hence we can say direction of force will be opposite the direction of electric field. Now your next question. The sphere has two charges QA and QB, and both have a same like charges and located at the situation. Suppose 0, 0 minus 5. Suppose this is the x and this is y coordinate, this is z coordinate. Similarly A is minus में z और B है x 0 by 0 and z is positive. Now in this situation, first of all we draw the diagram. This is we have plot the axis. Suppose this is x-axis, this is y, and this is z. And charge QA, A कोऑर्डिनेट सिचुएशन ये है, 0 0 -5, तो -5 सबसे ऊपर पॉजिटिव जेड होगा तो नीचे जेड की वैल्यू कैसी होनी चाहिए, नेगेटिव होगी। तो माइनस कोऑर्डिनेट आपका ऊपर ना होकर कहाँ होगा, नीचे होगा। तो नीचे पोजीशन किसकी है, ए की है। एंड ए व्हाट, now there have a situation of the particles and this is the A position. A position is coordinate is 0, 0, minus का 15 centimeter. So this is the minus position here and this is the positive position of B, and B is 0, 0, 15, and the position of A charge is positive and A point पे जो QA charge होगा this is positive, and position of B and QV charge is negative. Hence we can say this is a dipole, situation of dipole, because dipole they have alike charges, क्योंकि आप चार्ज दोनों का QA इक्वल टू है 2.5 -7 कूलम and QB is -2.5 10 to the -7 coulomb. Both have unlike charges and separation between them. This is 15 है origin से, यहाँ से -15, तो overall distance is 30 centimeter. Then separation between them is 2a equal to is given 30 meter में change करें -2 meter. And we have know the formula of dipole, P is equal to Q into 2a, and 2a is the separation between them, and dipole is Q, we will take 2.5 into 2a is 30 into 10 to the power -2, and dipole is dipole moment, we will solve them. 25 is 0,